Standard 4th. Subject English. Chapter A Garden of Words. Hi children. Let's learn some new words. Let's start. Again. Angry. Around. Back. Beautiful. Became. Blue. Building. Castle. Catch. Cross. Crown. Diamonds. Down. Enough. Every. Fisherman. Garden. Happened. Happy. Him. Home. House. It's. Kind. Magic. Must. Near. Ordered. Past. Please. Popped. Queen. Saw. See. Speak. Storm. Strange. Surprised. Thing. Throne. Thunder. Towers. Voice. Water. Waves. Were. Wife. Wish. Wore. Now it's time to do some activities. You have to find the words that show things and actions. I will try to make list of words that shows things. Building, castle, crown, diamonds, home, house, towers, garden, sea, water, waves. Ma'am, I will try to make list of words that shows actions. Catch, cross, happened, ordered, past, popped, saw, speak, surprised, wish, wore. Wonderful! Let's do a different activity. Here, I will show you one sentence. You have to add a word from the garden of words and make change in it. Example, it's a house. It's a beautiful house. I caught a fish. I caught a blue fish. I caught magic fish. I saw a man. I saw a happy man. Once there was a woman. Once there was a kind woman. Once there was a happy woman. Very nice. All the sentences were perfect. Now let's come to next activity. I will give you some pairs of words. You have to make sentences using both the words. Fish, beautiful. I caught a beautiful, colorful fish. Animals, water. Animals drink water from the pond in the jungle. Like diamond. Every woman likes wearing diamond rings. Queen, happy. Once there lived a happy queen. Fish, net. A fish was caught in a net. Very good, children.